Section 4.1, Writing mixed radicals as entire radicals. Example 5. Express each mixed radical as an entire radical. A, 3 root 5. To begin, we are going to remind you that this is a radical, so the inside number, even though it's not written there, the index in this radical is 2. The 3 outside is the result of taking the square root of some number. That number is 9. 9 is 3 times 3. As a general rule, to rewrite a mixed radical to an entire radical, we are going to take the number outside the radical, we are going to move it inside the radicand, and we are going to write it the number of times of the index. So we're going to rewrite 3 2 times, and we're going to multiply that by the number already inside the radicand of 5. 3 times 3 times 3 is 45. 3 root 5 can be written as root 45. Let's take another look at an example, B. In this example, we have a negative outside. Let's begin by rewriting. We can write this as -1 multiplied by 16 root 2. So we're not going to take the negative inside the square root. To rewrite, we are going to take the number outside. This again is a square root. We are going to write that number twice inside the square root and multiply it by the number already inside. So in this example, we have a -1 times the square root of 512. Or we can write that as just negative root 512. Part C, we're going to look at a cube root. The same process occurs. Our index in this case is 3. So instead of writing the number outside 2 times, we are now going to rewrite it 3 times. So when that moves inside the radical, we are going to write 5 times 5 times 5 3 times, multiplied by the 4 that's already inside. This gives us the cube root of 500. One last example, D. -2 cube root of 10. Again, we have another example with a negative. This negative is not in brackets, so again, we can write this as -1 times 2 cube root 10. To write as an entire radical, we are going to place this number on the outside. We're going to move that inside the cube root, and we're going to write it 3 times, the number of times of that index. And when we multiply all of this together, we end up with negative cube root of 80. Where this is a cube root, we can take the cube root of a negative number. Square root, we cannot take the square root of a negative number. So just as a little extra, if this was a -2 in brackets outside the cube root, we could move that negative number. We're going to write -2 3 times and multiply it by the number already inside. And we could rewrite -2 cube root 10 as the cube root of -80.